Ganya.
Get with him! Drive over, Jack!
Wolski. Come on, Nick! There you go, James.
Yep.
There you go, James. Kiwi, come on.
Yeah, he got fucked up.
No, he's running high. Sorry. Come on. Who's that?
Wolski.
Good! Yes! What?
No fucking way.
Are you kidding me? Are you fucking kidding me?
That's bullshit. They haven't liked us at all.
Way to run, going yo.
Water!
Toss me some, boys.
I'll toss you some.
Toss me some.
Keep going, James. Keep going. Let's go.
Oh shit.
Let's keep going. Controlled and hard down here, Mitchell.
Hey, Ganya.
A little bit lower, James.
Hey, set it out. This is where we fight. Set it out. We got fight. Let's go. We do not stop here. You're not tired.
Let's go.
Hey, let's win this scrum, boys.
Come on, Pack. 8.5, Pack. Let's go, boys. Hey, Tony. Tony, left down. Hey, Ted's kicking. Tony. Have it, Pack. Come on, senior. Tony. He's coming.
Oh, watch it, Kowalski.
Set. Pack. Come here. Come on, get out. Hold the push. Hold. Get there. Come on, Matt. You got your left. Come on, Matt. Get back there, Matt. Got your left. Run out. Hey, Glenn, it's fine. I'll get with the kid. Hey, sit up.
Over!
Long, straight in the side.
All right.
Big 10, Big 10.
All right,
Jack. All right.
Right here.
You look like you can coach, dude.
Up right.
I'm not even joking. Dude. It's out.
That was a good kick.
That was.
All right, you can't go quick. Neil. Let's get a spoil, Zach. Zach, let's get a spoil, yeah?
Numbers, sir, numbers. Hey, somebody got it. Stop ball, fucking through! Stop ball, James!
Hey, ball, it was a penalty. Should we get going?
Kyle. Get it, Jack. Ho! Come on, be awake. Help!
Go! One touch.
That's right. We got to chase left flanker. Come on, we got to get pressure now.
Take the ball.
Get there. Come on, take it, Jack.
Oh!
What's up, Jack?
Hey, nice run, Jack.
Good running, Jack.
Who's there? Knock back there.
Come on, get after this, guys. Come on, 5 minutes now. Let's go. Gotta be on offense. Let's go.
Come on, boys. 5 minutes left. Hold them, boys.
Don't get cute.
Crouch. Line. Set. Hold. Push it in.
Hold! Hold, Gray!
Hold.
Oh!
Go with him! Go with him!
Come base. Come on.
Whoa!
That's the way you get long ball, guys.
Go, James!
Yes! Go, James! In the corner!
Yes!
Yeah, James!
Yes!
Yeah, James! Here, Neil, get... I'll take some too.
Great job, boys.
Hey, that away, James!
Argy, nothing behind you.
Hey, way to run, James! Matt can drop kick like a mother. Hey, JT, you played well.
Pierce. Pierce.
Your shoulder hurt?
Hey, Matt.
Let's ride that ball deep, Pierce.
Hey, Matt. All you got. Matt.
All you got, boys. All you got. 3 minutes. Let's go. 1 minute.
Hey, way to go, Mac. Way to play.
Nice game, Matt.
Nice, Spence!
Get with Spence.
Nice, Spence!
Yes, Argy! With them!
It's a board!
Quick!
There you go, Jay. Yes! Get it out. Nice, Tony! Lazy, lazy.
What happened to J. Kim? Or is it Spence? Get there, Jack!
Up, Jay. Get up, Jay. Come on, Jay.
What?
Show him what you're made of, Jay.
What was that?
Keep your class now!
Jay. Go, boys. Finish this game hard.
Keep your class. They want to throw a punch. Don't just wrong sport.
Hey, Chris. Check with Jay Kim. Up or down. You good? Hey, Jay, are you good?
Show him what you're made of, Jay.
He probably got a stinger.
This is why we want you to stay good. Let's see if we won or lost. We won. John,
Hey, John.
let's see how tired is your arm going?
It's really fucking annoying. Literally, I've been like this for about an hour.
Touch left. Touch left. Touch left. Touch left.
Every game is 12 at least a half. It's really my worst game of the game. Really players over there. It's fucked up. Right. That's fucked up. These 2 picks and those are only 1 picks.
Go, Chris.
I'm like 45 and just got guns like cannons. But I'm like, shit.
Did you just say that, Connor?
Or when he has a beer belly.
True.
Probably. My dad's got one.
Knowing you, you're probably gonna get one. You know it's true.
Way to go, RG.
So sideways. I think he's an inside side. I think it's because he got, like, maybe he got messed up one time during this game, like during another game.
Literally, I was
He got knocked back.